Hello, Alistair Young here with RE/MAX and Young Real Estate, and I'm so excited to tell you about one of our most amazing new listings. It's this fantastic house behind me in gorgeous Renfrew Heights, Vancouver. This home has got it all. It's hardwood floors, it's got a legal suite, it's got a detached garage, big yard, everything you're gonna want. Plus, it's on a fantastic large lot, 33 by 126. It's zoned for laneway home, duplex, and multiplex. Why don't we take a look inside? This home is truly an incredible opportunity and an amazing investment. If you would like to know more, let me know. We've got information on the schools, the shopping, the restaurants, how easy it is for commuting, and we've got floor plans and 3D. So just let me know. Alistair with RE/MAX and Young Real Estate.